welcome back to my channel. This is Erika, and today I will be doing an unboxing video with you guys. As you guys can tell in the title down below, and also if you can see right here, I'm gonna unboxing my first Chanel classic flap with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So before starting this video, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of what is going on in the agenda. So first, I'll be opening this beautiful bag with you guys to do a quick unboxing. And second, I will tell you guys about the story, how did I get this bag. And third, that would be my experience getting my bag repaired at the Chanel boutique in London. And lastly, that would be pricing of this bag. And if you're interested to watch more unboxing handbag video, please give me a subscribe and a like. That would be greatly appreciated. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so I have this bag right here, which is looking really beautiful and gorgeous, and I literally feel so happy. But let's just open it. So here is the ribbon. I'm just gonna undo it. Alright, okay, so this is the really beautiful camellia here with the black and white Chanel paper bag. And when I get this out, there you go, this is the vintage Chanel paper box. Let's open it. Okay, when you open it, it looks like this, and then when I get this out, so I've got three things here. So first one is the handbag. So you can see in here it has the Chanel stickers here as well. This is the dust bag that they gave it to me, so just a normal dust bag, I would say. So the third thing is a booklet, but let's have a look. Here is the cloth. Other one is in here. It looks like a booklet to me. So this is how the booklet looks. Right, so basically this is kind of like an instruction of how you can take care of your handbag. And it tells you this is an luxury item. You have to be gentle with your handbag, never overload it, to ensure it keeps a lovely shape after years. Okay, so this is very exciting. I'm gonna unpack it now. Well, today it is really rainy, windy in London, so just so you know, maybe you can hear some rain sound in the background. Oh, I'm so excited. Well, as I told you, it's a vintage bag, but after the repair surface, they just wrap it really nicely, like what I've seen online on YouTube. Like, it just literally looks like people get a new bag. So I think they did a really great job. There you go. It's so good. Right. Just to clarify of the size, the color, and the leather, just to let you guys know, this is a Chanel medium classic flap with silver hardware, and this is in lambskin. So it is really delicate. It is so beautiful. Look at her. Wow. And that is the back. So gorgeous. This is like the ultimate classic timeless piece that you can ever get. Wow, that looks so good, so beautiful. Let me just open it inside to show you guys. So you twist it with the buckle here, and then you open it, and then here is the area where Coco Chanel used to put her love letter in, which is a really thoughtful little touch. They still have this in here, but I've seen videos about other people talking about this section. No one actually uses it, but it's a nice little touch, you know. And then when you open it, here is the burgundy leather inside, and this bag is made in France. So as you can see here, can you see it? Yeah. So in here, I believe this is an area that you can put on your lipstick and maybe some cards. And here is the interior of the bag. If you wear it like this, it's so gorgeous. Like, it's really mature, feminine, dressy, which I love. And then I think you can wear it crossbody as well. Use it like this, like crossbody. This is how it looks. It's really chic, minimal. And then we can do it crossbody as well. So crossbody, you're gonna look like this. I feel like it's a good size for everyday. I'm actually doubt about the leather because people said for the lambskin you have to be really careful, so it's not for everyday, but I'm still thinking because I feel like it's black, which I can use most of the days with my outfit. No matter what sort of outfit that I want to style, it will be a nice bag to give an extra elegant touch, you know. Okay, just have a little chat about the bag. So as I told you, this is in lambskin. I think it is really delicate, and also this is preloved, so you can obviously see quite a lot of scratches on the surface of this bag, and also the back as well. And then at the bottom, some scratches, but it's not major. I am happy with this. This bag was made back in 2002, so it is actually 20 years old. But I mean, like in terms of the shape, the quality, and chain as well, I think it is really decent. Like, it is in a really good condition, so I don't really mind about the scratching. And I mean, this is vintage, right? And originally I really wanted the bag which is like in gold hardware and then in caviar skin, because I feel like they're more durable in terms of like longevity, and people told me you don't have to worry that much when you use caviar leather. So I just feel like, oh, maybe I should get a caviar, because I mean, if I spend that much of money, that I would definitely want to use the bag more often, right? Okay, let's just jump into the second part. And how did I get this bag? So I actually got this bag from a website. It's called Sign of the Times. They're a London-based vintage boutique. They only sell luxury designer items, and they actually have a store in Chelsea. So I actually find them on Instagram. There's an influencer called Claire Rose. She's a London-based influencer, and she actually reposted something about Sign of the Times, and she was raving about how good their selections are. So I was like, I'm gonna have a look. And then one night, on a Christmas night, I just went online, and then I saw them. They were doing 15% off for selected items, but I mean, like, I would just have a look. And then I saw this Chanel bag, and they actually have two Chanel classic flap on sale. So this one is the first, and the second one was in brown or beige, but also had something on sale for Hermes. But I mean, like, I don't feel like I'm that age to use Hermes yet. And then I just saw this bag and also another classic flap in brown. I just fell in love, and the price was £2,513. So it was in a decent price considering the price increase and everything. And I think back in November, I went to this Chanel boutique, and I actually asked them about if I can try any classic flap, and then the lady actually showed me a classic Chanel flap in black caviar and gold hardware, and I tried it on, and I was like, oh, I love it. It's so classic, it's so beautiful. But the price was insane. It was like 6,600. That was before the recent price increase, so I don't know how much it is now. But I mean, like, we can have a look, right? Okay, so I just checked online. It's actually £6,630. So it wasn't that crazy with the price increase. Yeah, but back in November, the price was insane. It was 6,600, and I was like, oh, it is. I mean, it is a handbag, and obviously, I do appreciate the craftsmanship, the design, and the history of the brand, but having that crazy price increase and giving that like £6,000 is a lot. So I already have sort of like gave up on buying it in the boutique in brand new condition. So I've just started to kind of like having my eye in second-hand pre-loved market. The only issues that I have with this bag was the stitching internally inside this bag was really loose when I picked up this bag. So hence why I just took it to the Chanel boutique to ask them if I can have it repaired and fixed. Here comes to my another point, which is how was the experience getting my bag repaired at the Chanel boutique in London. I actually have done some research online before really taking this back into central London and get it repaired. So I saw online they have a restriction of you can only take the bag, go back to the boutique and get it repaired in 5 years time after you purchase. Obviously this bag was purchased back in 2002. It's been a while. It's like more than 5 years. It's like 20 years. I wasn't sure, so I just called the boutique another day and I asked them like, oh, I actually have a handbag which was made back in 2002 and I have this stitching issue internally inside the bag. Can you do something for me? Is there something that you can help me with? And they just told me, oh, just take the bag to our boutique and we can see what we can do. And then I was like, okay. And then I think that weekend, I just literally took my bag to Chanel, and there's a lovely lady called Vicky. She's in SA, and she just have a look of the handbag, and she filled in the form, what sort of like problem the bag is having. She also told me this bag is literally in such a great condition, considering this is 20 years old. So yeah, and then they took it to the office and they took so many pictures, and then she told me they will be getting fixed within 8 weeks. So it was a really patient waiting for me, considering this is a Christmas gift for myself, and now it is in February the 13th. So I waited for maybe more than a month, but this is a late Christmas gift for myself. But I mean, like, overall, like getting my bag repaired in the Chanel boutique, and considering that it's free also, that is pretty good. And I mean, like, if you have purchased a Chanel classic black or whatever Chanel bag that you have and you have some issues with your bag, I think it's definitely worth to call the boutique and see what can they offer. Lastly, I think in terms of how many times I'm gonna use it, I don't think I will be using every day. I will be using for a special occasion or like occasionally, but definitely most of the weekends. I'm not gonna take this back to work because I need to baby this back. Because you know, sometimes you get in the tube, it's too many people, rush hour. I don't want my bag to get damaged, as you can tell how busy London it is. But yeah, I think that's pretty much about this video, but I hope you guys somehow enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions about my repair service or my experience buying a vintage bag or anything else about this Chanel Classic Flap, just let me know in the comments. I'll get back to you guys. And I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.